Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, says the next 4 years of his administration will focus on massive infrastructure expansion that will promote accelerated economic growth across the state, in line with his shared prosperity mantra. The governor made this known recently when he took his second term oath of office as governor at the Dan Ayam Stadium in Owerri, the Imo State capital.
Few months after the off-season elections that took place in November 2023 in Imo State, Lady Chinyere Ihuma Ekomaru took the oath of office as the deputy governor of Imo State. Shortly after, Hope Uzodinma also took the oath of office as the executive governor of the state for a second term in the presence of thousands of Imo residents, guests and invitees from within and outside the state. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, Senate President Godswill Akpabio were among the top dignitaries who attended the inauguration. In his inaugural speech, Governor Hope Uzodinma said his vision is anchored on a 10-year development plan which has the capacity to transform Imo State into an industrial self-sufficient state. He said his second tenure will focus on massive economic development of the state.
Within the first 12 months of the current tenure, every community in Imo State will feel the impact with at least one significant project fully executed for them in the state.
It will be recalled that in the November 11 elections, Hope Uzodinma overwhelmingly won all the 27 local government areas of the state and was returned elected by INEC. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his speech, assured Imolites that through his administration, there will be substantial development in education, healthcare and industrialization in the state.
There will be substantial development in the education of your children. You will see the priority in industrialization. Healthcare will receive more allocation and more attention.
Similarly, the Supreme Court in recent proceedings upheld the victories of the governors of Delta, Akwa Ibom, Cross River and Abia states, who were in the March 2023 general elections declared winners in their various states by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. In Akwa Ibom State, the Supreme Court affirmed the victory of Umar Eno of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as the validly elected governor of the state after dismissing the appeals of the three parties who were challenging the outcome of the election based on non-qualification of the governor over allegations of certificate forgery. The joy of Akwa Ibomites knew no bounds as they hailed the decision of the Supreme Court.
The election was free and fair, so the judgment of the court is just free and fair. I want to congratulate the Nigerian justice for that.
The judgment has finished, the tribunal has finished, so it's now for governance to take over.
However, the tenure of the governors of Edo and Ondo states will end on the 11th of November 2024 and 23rd of February 2025 respectively. Edo State governorship election has been scheduled to be held on the 21st of September 2024, while that of Ondo State will be held on Saturday 16th of November 2024, according to a statement by INEC. While Rivers State awaits Supreme Court judgment in the case between Fubara and Tonye Cole, Bayelsa State prepares to begin the process of court proceedings just after the concluded off-season election in November.
Inside the Niger Delta,